Muffler leak repair. Don't ignore that loud exhaust noise. Have you noticed your car getting louder every time you start the engine? Maybe you hear a hissing, ticking, or deep rumbling sound while driving. If so, there's a good chance you have a muffler leak. While it may seem like a minor issue, a leaking muffler can affect your vehicle's performance, fuel economy, and even your safety. A muffler leak happens when cracks, rust holes, or damaged joints allow exhaust gases to escape before reaching the end of the exhaust system. Over time, moisture, road salt, and constant heating and cooling can cause the metal to corrode. Physical impacts from speed bumps or road debris can also crack the muffler or exhaust pipes. One of the easiest ways to identify a muffler leak is by listening. If your vehicle suddenly becomes much louder than usual, that's a major warning sign. You may also notice reduced engine performance, poor fuel efficiency, vibrations under the vehicle, or even the smell of exhaust fumes inside the cabin. Never ignore exhaust fumes, as they may contain dangerous carbon monoxide. Small leaks can sometimes be repaired using exhaust repair tape, muffler cement, or metal repair patches. These products work well as temporary solutions, but aren't designed to last forever. If the damage is larger, the best option is professional welding, or replacing the damaged section of the exhaust system. When rust has spread throughout the muffler, replacing it is usually more cost-effective than attempting multiple repairs. Preventing muffler leaks is easier than many drivers realize. Inspect your exhaust system during routine maintenance. Wash the underside of your vehicle regularly, especially after driving on salted roads, and avoid hitting curbs or deep potholes. Replacing worn exhaust hangers can also prevent unnecessary stress on the system. Although you can often continue driving with a small muffler leak, it's not recommended. Leaks usually become worse over time, increasing repair costs and potentially allowing harmful gases to escape near the passenger compartment. Fixing a muffler leak early is one of the smartest ways to protect your vehicle, save money, and enjoy a quieter, safer ride. If your exhaust suddenly sounds louder than normal, don't wait. Inspect it today before a small leak turns into a major repair.